tastes terrible, you have to let me know.
Okay.
But if it tastes good, we'll know that too.
That's good.
It's good. It's very good. So Grammy Award winners apparently are honest.
Very.
Okay, so if this is trash, they'll tell me it's trash.
Quickly.
Let's go.
It's really good. It's really good.
Is this your okay. I work for my wife. So it's good for you. I love that.
Oh man,
That's smooth.
yeah.
There's no.
I don't like acidic espresso, so this is fire.
Right? Really good. Really good.
It's got that deep roast.
It smells amazing. Stop! Told you! Stop! I told you! It's amazing.
It's delicious. It's actually like I always put a little. I'm doing keto, so I do heavy whipping cream in my coffee. That's the only thing lacking. It's delicious. It tastes so good. Yeah, it's very good. I really like it. Thank you very much. Okay, that's really good.
Let's see what an Iron Chef has to say about Rahm roast.
The aroma is nice. Very nice. Deep, dark. Very little acidity of any. Super rich, super delicious. I should know. Very nice palate. Very popular.
There we go. Iron Chef approved.
TheBomb.com.
Okay, let's see what Cheech has to say.
Good.
That's right. Right?
It's gonna wake you up, but it's like even without anything in there, it tastes good. It's good coffee. Great coffee.
Still hot, but good.